In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post to social media using Sprout Social. Let's start by logging in to Sprout Social. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see the Compose button near the top. It's usually a big green button, and it's your gateway to creating a post. Click it to open the post editor. This editor is your workspace for drafting, attaching media, and choosing where and when your message will be published. Next, look for the Profile Picker in the editor. Here, select the social networks you want to post to, such as your Facebook page, LinkedIn, X, Instagram Business, TikTok, or YouTube. You can choose one profile or multiple at once. Keep in mind that audiences and formatting can differ across networks, so aim for clear, universal wording that reads well everywhere you've selected. Now add the text for your post. Keep it concise, on-brand, and easy to scan. If you're using hashtags, choose ones that are relevant and not overdone. Read it aloud once to catch any typos and ensure the tone fits your message and the platforms you've chosen. If you want to enrich the post, attach media. You can drag and drop photos, videos, or GIFs straight from your computer. Alternatively, upload from Sprout's asset library or connect sources like Canva, Dropbox, or Google Drive. Use high-quality visuals that are properly cropped and well lit. Short video clips and clear images tend to perform best, and consistent branding helps your content feel cohesive across channels. When your content looks good, choose how you want to publish. If you select Send Now, your post will go live as soon as you confirm. This is great for timely updates and announcements. If you prefer to plan ahead, choose Schedule for later. Pick a specific date and time for publishing, then double-check the time zone and the selected profiles to avoid surprises. Sprout allows you to schedule up to 13 months in advance, which is helpful for campaigns, holidays, and recurring content. Before you wrap up, review everything one more time. Confirm the correct profiles are selected, the text reads clearly, the media displays as expected, and the publish time is accurate. When you're confident, click Send or Submit to finalize. That's it. Your post is either live or scheduled, and you're set. With these steps, you can reliably create, enhance, and publish content in Sprout Social, whether you're posting immediately or planning ahead.